Hello and welcome to How to Housewife. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, welcome and please consider hitting the subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your views are very important to me and feel free to leave me a comment so I can say hello to you. Today we are cleaning my house. So the kids are in bed. It's been a long day. I'm absolutely exhausted. But if I don't clean the house now, when am I going to do it? So here we go. I'm going to play some music and speed it up a little bit. I wish I could do it that fast in reality. So have a look and I hope you enjoy it. So I didn't actually realize this at the time, but if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see the cat is actually watching me clean, which is kind of creepy. Yeah, she's just watching me. So we're in the kitchen now and I am putting away some of the dishes from earlier. So as I'm cooking dinner, I usually try and do the dishes as I go so that there's not a huge amount. So I've just got to put those dishes away and then do the last few things that have come through since. And then I am going to wipe down all of the counters and get onto the floors. So I'm just finishing up by mopping the floors. This is the absolute last thing I do because the floors are wet, so you can't really do much more after that until they're dry, and anything you clean is going to end up on the floors, so you want to make sure you do them last. So while I'm finishing up, I just wanted to thank you again so much for watching my channel and supporting me. I'm almost at 150 subscribers, which is amazing. I'm so thankful for that. And my watch time is going really well as well. I've almost got 70 hours. So thank you so much for all of your support. I hope you have a great night, and thanks again. Bye.